Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Matthias. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to recreate one of Deepika Padukone's most iconic looks from the movie Om Shanti.
Kick off your shoes, throw your coat in my bedroom. I'm glad you made it, cause I'm gonna DJ soon. Come with me, I'm gonna show you where the bar is. My man Julio don't know where his guitar is. We've got some DJs playing old school hip hop. Amped up and we won't ever stop. Dance with me, cause standing here won't do. Come on and kiss me, I can tell that you want to. I've got some DJs in the back room singing way out, way out. And my band's gonna play soon. And we won't ever stop. And the place is on fire. Scream, people, if you wanna go higher. We don't care if the neighbors want us tore down. They wanna stop us, gonna have to kick the door down. I've got some DJs in the back room singing way out, way out. And my band's gonna play soon. And we won't ever stop.
So this is how I recreated Deepika Padukone's iconic look from Om Shanti Om. I hope you guys really liked it.
And my band's gonna play soon. And we won't ever stop.
Hi, this is Karishma Bajaj. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to be recreating one of Deepika Padukone's editorial look on my beautiful model, Myntra. my final version of Deepika's editorial look, and I hope you guys like it.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.